There's a rainbow. Good thing he's not gonna flood the earth again, but if he did, we wouldn't mind because we're on a boat.
We're on a boat, literally Noah's Ark. Cheese eyes. Oh. Watching over all of us.
This is my breakfast. I have watermelon, a lot of it, oranges, and some potatoes.
I have some fried eggs, scrambled eggs, but I realized after that you're allowed fried eggs, they make them for you, and then I've got my yogurt bowl with TSC pudding.
I'm also not a massive breakfast person. It kind of makes me feel sick, so fresh fruit is the way to go. And I don't want to put these in my body.
Yeah, I regretted it as soon as I got the scrambled eggs, but I got them so I'm gonna eat them. For our mukbang is out there. For the eggs, I just tried it and I don't mean to be like picky, but seriously, if anybody, even unpickiness would not like these. So
wait, is that like green?
Don't look at it too closely.
The potatoes are really great. They have like some kind of seasoning on them. That's really yummy. And they're cooked really well. They're not like crunchy, but they're also not like mashed. So it's just the Jesus communion circle. Pardon?
B-roll, B-line, I mean.
We went to the gym to get some abs, but they were out of stock, so we just did legs instead. Did we get another animal?
Yay, it is. This one's an elephant.
We got an elephant, and I always love how they put my Kindle right on my bed like that. It's really cute. But this whole like ocean scenic thing reminds me of when I went to an art show with my mom in the Bay of Plenty, and there was this piece of artwork, and I always thought it was really cool. I don't know what it means, but it sounds cool, and it's true in probably both ways. So anyway, just thought I would share that with you guys. We're now at lunch, and we've come back to the Gold Pearl restaurant, and it's Thai food today, which actually looks quite good. Entrees, wing rolls.
I'm predicting this is going to be our best meal yet. And he's going to try the pork meatballs.
Not bad. Yeah. Yummy.
This is probably the most excited I've been for some food on this place.
And it's just a spring roll.
A little more doughy, but tastes good. We got beef, rice and broccoli, yum yum, and lettuce wraps with
Chicken.
Okay, first bite.
That sauce is like really vinegary, but it goes well. Fresh.
A little bit of rice, a little bit of beef. Very sesame-y.
Yum.
Really yummy actually.
The lychee something with pomegranate jelly, and Janelle got tapioca and mango.
Mango something.
Honestly, you guys know that cream that they put on like supermarket cakes, and it just feels really plastic and like warm? That's what this is. So it's a bit disappointing, but it tastes good.
It's like a rice cake. It's not bad. I personally don't know if I would get that again, you know?
Yeah. It's actually calmed down a lot right now, and it's getting warmer. Oh, whose dogs are these?
Okay, this one's for Nicole. Gonna make it quick. Okay, Nicole, the ship is humongous, and so I don't think we can do a room tour. I mean, a ship tour. But this is the ship. Okay, we're on level 8, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, basically rooms. I mean levels with fun stuff on it, like the restaurants and the what else? All the other
And the
things.
shopping and the theaters and
Theatres.
the bars
So-
and the...
What we'll do is pretty much every time we go in somewhere or see something that we are attending or walking past, we will do a quick wide shot and tell you what it is.
This is one of the restaurants.
Oh, what are the restaurants? This is a piano room. Wow. Piano room. Red carpet room.
Okay. We are in the adults only area, so there's no children and just a bunch of scary adults. But it is peaceful and we are suntanning.
Sun's setting. About to head for dinner.
Yay. So cute.
So short.
Are you kidding me? It's got one pickle and a little end of a tomato.
In the mouth. Pork belly.
Pork belly.
Interesting sauces. Like a live sitter.
Okay. Steak and red wine sauce.
Oh yeah.
We're here with the chef, Nasim.
Hi.
I have a question. Do you have a rat in your hat?
No.
It's all you?
There's no rat in your hat?
No rat.
You know, like Ratatouille?
Ratatouille I like, but I don't. I saw the movie,
Yeah.
but it's good, but it's not like that for me.
So shoot! I got an apple tart thing.
I just got the testers because I couldn't decide and I also don't want anything big. We're seeing a show now. I think
know what
it's
it is.
like a musical. But there's a lot of people here. Day 2 on the ocean, done and dusted. It was surprisingly busy because we thought we'd have nothing to do today.
Yeah, but also not busy.
Yeah.
Couple of notes. For the boat tour, we can't even find our way around this place, so I'm sorry. We can't even show you what it's like.
Yeah, it's so big and we still get lost. And it is like back rooms. Like everything looks the same. So even if we showed you around, you'd be like, you've already showed us this like 3 times.
Other note, the chef, he definitely had a rat in his hat.
Yeah, that steak was a little too good. He could not have done that by himself.
Leah just gave me a about how to do vlogging and conversation. Apparently I'm not very good at it, so I should just never talk again.
I just told Janelle off for like yapping too much and I couldn't edit it because she just, whatever.
I'm just trying to tell you guys stuff that you want to hear, and she tells me it's dumb.
I didn't say it was dumb. Leave a comment if you guys love Janelle's talking and you appreciate her segments.
Want more of me and less of Leah? Just say so.
And you'll be blocked. As always, leave a comment if you're watching.
What's been your favorite thing that you've seen today?
But miss you all. Everyone who's watching this is probably beloved, unless you're some random. If you're a random person, and you happen to find your way here, welcome.
Welcome.
This is normal. Okay, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.